What is that? Come here. That's for you, Morgan. That's from Mimi.
Mama.
That's from Mimi. Can you say thank you, Mimi?
Mama.
There you go. There you go.
Wow. That's your little fort. Whee!
Hey.
Morgan, look at the camera. Say thank you, Mimi. Huh? Say thank you, Mimi. Morgan, say thank you, Mimi.
I think that says thank you.
I think he likes it, Mimi. I think he's looking for the cupcake that he threw on the floor.